In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix VRChat not loading on your Oculus Quest. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present you some methods that might help fix this issue and make sure you can join VRChat on your Oculus Quest. The first and easiest, simplest step is to check if you are running the latest version of the Quest software as well as the latest version of VRChat. So go into the settings for your Oculus Quest and make sure the software is up to date and it doesn't have any pending updates. Do the same for VRChat on your library before proceeding. If this doesn't immediately help the issue, you might want to consider reinstalling VRChat. It's also one of the fixes that has the most success rate among users that encounter issues when accessing VRChat on their Oculus Quest. Besides restarting or reinstalling VRChat on your Oculus Quest, you could try restarting your actual headset, which has worked for others in the past. Between updating your Quest software and reinstalling VRChat, these should help you fix your issue, but if both of these and restarting your headset didn't help, you might want to consider factory resetting your headset if the problem persists. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix VRChat not loading on your Oculus Quest. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.